If any team can take down Chennai Super Kings at Chepauk, it is Rajasthan Royals. Rajasthan Royals have India's best off-spinner and the best leg spinner in their ranks, and facing the duo on a turning track can prove to be quite a handful for any side. If needed, they also have the option to draft in Adam Zampa or use Murugan Ashwin as an impact sub. But for the Royal batters, the change in approach is going to be quite massive because they played their last two games in batting-friendly conditions in Guwahati. However, Jos Buttler's record against finger spin in the IPL over the last 5 years is exceptional, as he averages over 100 at a strike rate of 156. Sanju Samson could come to the party as well, given his record against left-arm spinners. CSK can certainly approach this game on the back of their big win against Mumbai Indians in a contest where their spin duo of Mitchell Santner and Ravindra Jadeja had an impact. Mahesh Theekshana is likely to make it a troika after arriving in time from New Zealand. In the batting department, Ajinkya Rahane's sparkling debut for the franchise gives them plenty of reasons to feel optimistic, especially when Ben Stokes is set to miss this fixture as well. Ruturaj Gaikwad also made a very good start to this year's IPL. However, his record against Trent Boult doesn't ooze confidence, as he has been dismissed by the New Zealand seamer thrice in the space of 21 deliveries. CSK will also have to improve its economy rate in the power play. Royals have the ideal batter up top to take full toll of that in the form of Yashasvi Jaiswal. The young left-hander is striking close to 200 in the power play this season, and that phase could well be the difference maker if the track turns out to be slow.